Okay, so Tyson Fury tested positive for anabolic steroids. Now, he says he's not sure what happened. Now, I was just about to go to bed, got my eye mask on, getting some vegan sleep, but the world heavyweight champ has just been caught for anabolic steroids, so I thought I'll postpone my vegan beauty sleep and just do a video. Now, I don't understand why a heavyweight boxer would be taking steroids, because, I mean, I don't know. Why would you take steroids? Like, steroids don't even work, man. Heavyweight, the world champion, is caught for drugs. Like, nah. Must be a mix-up. Must be maybe the supplement or something like that was in there. You know? This is not even Tyson Fury. This is Tyson Fury there. But Tyson Fury, he doesn't look like he's on any drugs. He looks totally straight. You know what I mean? He looks totally straight. Where's a picture of him? Is this him here? Tyson Fury, world heavyweight champion, on steroids. Nah. None at all, man. Not at all. Full natty. It must be some sort of mix-up. There's no money in boxing, and you don't need to be able to punch hard to be a good boxer. And steroids don't even work. Steroids are illegal. Can't even get them. That's what I'm going to say. I think this is definitely a mix-up. He probably took too much creatine and triggered a positive. I would say all he needed to do, and I'll show you another picture of a real natty guy. Kinobody. This is all this guy needed to do was, look at that. So that's definitely natural. That's definitely natural. That sloppy, out of weight, out of shape, heavyweight boxer, all he needed to do was get on the Kinobody program. Kinobody natty. He's definitely natty. He's just like Tyson Fury. Just creatine. Just creatine. So we just got the Lambo. I don't even know what the fuck's going on. There's a lot of beeping here. If you know me, I don't know much about cars, but I've always wanted a motherfucking Lambo. And these are so cheap. These are so cheap compared to Australia.